How to replace a door sill. The door sill, or threshold, is the bottom portion of your exterior door frame. It helps to keep the elements out and provides a seal, as well as a place to step as you enter the home. These thresholds wear out over time, because of foot traffic and exposure to the weather. Replace them as needed to help keep your home's exterior in good condition. Method 1. Replacing a metal door sill. 1. Measure the existing door threshold for length and width. 2. Purchase a metal sill of the same size and shape. 3. Use a variable speed drill fitted with a screwdriver bit to remove the screws anchoring the threshold into place. 4. Use a utility knife to cut through any caulk on the front and back edges of the sill. 5. Place the end of a pry bar beneath the threshold and pull up on the bar to pull the old threshold away from the door frame. 6. Lay the new threshold out on a flat surface and place the old one on top of it. 7. Use a pencil to trace the shape of the ends of the old threshold onto the new one. Most metal thresholds are cut to fit around the door jamb. Because each door jamb can be different in size, the threshold must be cut on site to fit. 8. Remove the old threshold and screw the new threshold down onto a work table to keep it from moving. 9. Use a jigsaw to cut out the shape of the door jambs from the ends of the new threshold. 10. Test the fit of the new threshold beneath the door and make sure the door closes over it. 11. Screw the new threshold into place. 12. Run a bead of waterproof caulk along the front and back edges of the threshold to help seal it into place. Method 2. Replacing a wooden threshold. 1. Remove the door casings on either side of the doorway. 2. Insert the end of a pry bar behind the casings and gently tug them free. Set them aside for later. 3. Use a circular saw to cut the threshold into 3 pieces. Cut nearly to the bottom of the threshold, but do not cut all the way through to avoid cutting the toe kick. 4. Cut the rest of the way through the threshold with a handsaw for control. 5. Insert a pry bar beneath each section of the threshold and pull it free. If any section is not coming free easily, use a hammer and chisel to break it into pieces before prying it up. 6. Measure the length of the door sill and ensure that the new threshold is of equal size. Cut the new threshold to fit with a circular saw if necessary. 7. Slide the new threshold into place to ensure that it fits. 8. Paint the new threshold with a water and UV-proof stain to help protect it from the elements. Allow it to dry. 9. Slide the new threshold back into place. 10. Drill pilot holes into the threshold that are slightly smaller than the finish nails that will hold it in place. This will prevent the threshold from cracking as you drive in the new nails. 11. Hammer in the finish nails to hold the threshold in place. 12. Fill the nail holes with wood putty. 13. Reattach the casings on either side of the doorway. 14. Hammer the finish nails back into place to reinstall the casings. Tips. Make sure you inspect the toe kick and casings as you replace the threshold. If they are rotting, purchase new ones cut to the same measurements as the sill and install them at the same time. Beneath some thresholds is a portion of the door frame known as the sub-sill. Check the sub-sill as well as you install the sill above it to ensure that it is in good condition. Warnings. Always make sure you replace the sill with one of the same size and shape, including thickness. Sills come in all shapes and sizes. Your door may not close properly if you use a different sort. Things. Variable speed drill with screwdriver attachment. Utility knife. Pencil. Jigsaw. Waterproof caulk. Pry bar. Hammer. Chisel. Circular saw. Handsaw. Stain. Paintbrush. Finishing nails. Wood putty.